Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. For now, for those of you that are yet to subscribe and you have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at our euro. At first, we were actually predicting a bullish move for the day, but eventually price actually dropped. And I think a little news came out today, which was not really that important, though it came out positive, right? When we take a look at the fundamental aspects of this euro, when we saw about Croatia adopting euro, right? Some kind of like a positive news came out for euro, but the price kind of gave us that drop. So those of you that had a price stop loss must have taken out, right? And the reason why we had that drop was like take out a lot of traders. A lot of traders were actually speculating a bullish move. Everybody knows, okay, we are euro USD is on a long movement. We have to go up. So the banks knows about this thing. Actually, this is when this had the drop came in. I think before the New York section, that drop came in. Before that New York section, the drop came in and it took out a lot of traders, unfortunately, about that. So those who had a very wide stop loss are still in this trade. Now let's see where this price will be moving for the next day. I personally still think there would be a drop. Wait, I'm not really sure. The reason why I'm still saying that there will be a drop is that a news will come out tomorrow on our USD, right? I think it is about three, and there will be I can't really remember two of the news, but the third one is FOMC meeting. So anyhow, if that news tends to be positive, then definitely we would have that drop on euro. Then USD will now kind of like go bullish. We will just have to be patient and let's see what the news will come out. We can't really be sure. It's only what we just have to see. What I just kind of seems like a forecast, something like that, which sometimes is not really correct. But if in case the forecast is correct, then that will make our point, right, that euro will drop while USD will actually give us that bullish move. So if in case that news comes out positive the next day, that is why I'll just advise you wait for the news to be released. If the news comes out positive, then we can now all go long on our USD. Thereby we would get a drop on this euro to USD. Now let's see what this technical aspect is saying. First of all, let me show you the technical aspect. So why I'm also predicting a bearish move. When you take a look at this movement, at first it was above the 10 period moving average, especially if you are a follower, you follow me consistently. I do say it always. If your price is above your moving average, all what you want to do is to actually go long, right? Except it breaks below it. Now that this price has broken below it now, all what we want to do is sell, right? That is technical of it, right? Now let's go to the 4 hour time frame. You can clearly see that price was actually ranging within this level, right? If you are following, you would have seen how it took this up here as a resistance and this down became the support. So basically, price has actually been ranging within this level. Then price kind of like broke out of it. Anyway, price have been able to correct itself and it has dropped. Guess what? Price now broke this our previous support level. Notice that this was the support level previously. Price has been reacting to this level here. We saw kind of like a rejection here. I think previously, apart from this, at here during this time when it was ranging, moving here, it was actually this resistance level, right? See it was once resistance level. Then once price broke out of it, this previous resistance level now became the support level. Then price was ranging. So when you take a look at this 4 hour time frame, price has now broken below this support level. Now it has now become the resistance level and we've gotten a pullback. Once price broke out of it, price gave us a pullback. Technically, you would be expecting a drop on this euro US. So technically on this euro USD, all what we want to see is like a drop. That is it, right? But the news that will be released tomorrow will determine the movement. If the news is positive, then I can show you that euro to USD will drop. But if the news tends to become negative, then maybe euro to USD actually give us that bullish move. But I think the news for the USD tomorrow will be positive. Thereby, we will be getting a bearish move on euro to USD the next day. And technically, if you take a look at it technically, you also see that on the 4 hour time frame, technically, this is about to drop. But above all, the news, we have to understand the news before we actually move, go ahead and trade this, take this trade. So, guys, watch out for the news. before you actually consider going long or buying. Except you just want to scalp some things, maybe fine. That is up to you.